What is up, all of you awesome people? It is TheMunchBowl here, and today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to grow your dreads faster. So what y'all come here for? For a little home remedy for growing your dreads. Mixing up eggs with some rice with some chicken, you know, just massaging your hair with it and leaving it in there for like, you know, a whole month, or your dreads will grow 10 inches. What? Your hair grow 10 inches every 3 seconds. Sorry, that's not what I'm going to tell you. Sorry if y'all came here for that. I mean, I'm just not the guy for that. I mean, I'm just too truthful to be that way, you know? Sorry that these other YouTubers are lying to you. I mean, sorry to say, but they are. There's no quicker way to grow your dreads. That's what y'all got to understand. There are things that can speed up the process, or make the process seem to speed up, or make the process funner or more enjoyable. And that thing, the biggest thing, if you take anything from this video, take this from it. The biggest thing that's going to help you out with dreadlock growth is patience. That is the only thing that can speed up your hair growth. At least if you're doing everything right to your hair. I know what you're saying. You're probably like, that's not the answer I wanted to hear. I want to know how to grow my hair in 10 seconds. Sorry, I mean, that's the truth. But there are things that could facilitate the process. One being crochet hooking. That'll help your hair lock up faster. I already made a video on that. Another thing is washing your hair regularly, maybe like once every 1 to 2 weeks. That's a good time if like your hair is already locking up. I think one mistake I made early on is me not washing my hair enough, because like I would wait like a whole, I think I waited like a good 2 months without washing my hair, maybe even 3 months. But that's just because I was like, oh, I don't want my hair to unravel. But honestly, that's part of the growth. I mean, my hair probably would have locked up faster if I would have washed it more often, or maybe not. I don't know. I'm just happy with my hair, how my hair is right now, and I'm glad that I did everything. Another thing that can help you out with your hair growth is appreciating your hair at what it's at right now. Say you have like started, like say you're in the ugly stage of dreads. Listen here, I don't know who made that thing, but there's no ugly stage of dreads. Just like if you call yourself ugly, you're going to believe that you're ugly, and then you're going to be ugly because you say you're ugly. Believe it or not, the power of your tongue is pretty powerful. And y'all probably like, man, what's this dude talking about? You know what, I don't even, man, I'm gonna dislike this video. You know, I don't even, man, why am I? Nah, just trust me, power of your tongue. I'm not saying, oh, I'm gonna get $1 million and I get $1 million. No, it don't work like that. I'm just saying, once you start saying that, you're gonna start believing that you're ugly. And then other people are going to probably say that you're ugly. Then that's going to feed into you. You're going to believe it. Hey, there's no ugly stage of dreadlocks. Your dreadlocks are dreadlocks. Your dreadlocks could look good at any stage. I remember when my dreadlocks were just basically a smashed afro. Like, it was a misshaped afro. Now looking back on it, I was like, I really thought that looked good. But look where I am now. And it all came with me appreciating how I looked at the moment, you know? Because I would get happy if I just see a coil form. I remember my like first 3 dreads that locked up. I was so happy. I was like, wow, my hair is locking up. That's how you have to be. And back then I didn't notice the importance of it, but it's so important to appreciate your hair at what it's doing and just appreciating the process. Because honestly, why even get dreads if you don't want the process? If you just want, boom, instantly long dreads, it's like you might as well just grow your hair out for about 3 years, then twist your hair all the way into dreadlocks. Because if you can't appreciate the process, if you're not patient enough to go through the process, then it's like, what's the point of doing it? Dreadlocks are a process, and it's cool to look at the process. Because I started out my hair growth, and for a reason, it was to, you know, show my growth, and you know, also spiritual growth. But I won't get into that because I know y'all probably like, I was just here for the hair. So whatever. But remember why you started dreads. Remember why you wanted them. Remember, imagine what you want them to be, and every day look at them. When you look at them, they're getting closer to what you imagine them to be. And you have to just learn to appreciate your hair. That's all I'm saying. And like I said, that also requires patience. Because if you don't have patience, you're just gonna get rid of your dreads. Oh, I don't like them. I don't like this. I don't like. Why is this dread looking like this? It all comes with time. Like, all right, look at this. You see this loose hair right here? It's like really loose. I'm trying to get it into a dreadlock, but it's just not. And I'm like, all right here, there's like loose hairs everywhere. And it's just like feels fuzzy right here for some reason. Even though there's a dreadlock right here, it was just like it's just a whole bunch of loose hair right there. But you see, I'm not complaining about it because it's going to fix. Because dreads mature out throughout time. Dreads, I guess in a way, learn how to be dreads. Everything just like falls into place as long as you're doing everything right. Like you can't just twist your dreads and expect them to lock up. Like say you go from an afro and you twist them and you're like, oh, I have a dread, then you expect it to be locked up and everything, you're ready to go. No, it's a whole process, man. And dreads grow pretty fast. Like my hair has grown a lot. So like this dread goes all the way down to like the middle of my nose. And that's longer from when I last checked it. Just so you know, all these There's some that go all the way down to my nose, and some that don't go all the way down to my nose. But anyways, yeah, that's the truth about growing your hair. All you have to do is have patience, make sure you wash your hair regularly, and make sure you're not putting too much shampoo on your hair, because that's going to cause buildup. Make sure that you're just not damaging your dreads. Make sure you're not crochet. Honestly, I would not recommend crochet hooking, just because I think they damage your dreads, and plus they kind of create little bumps in your dreads. And if you want that, then go ahead. But I mean, I don't mind it, but I don't crochet hook anymore, just because, like, you know, I don't want it to, like, because it can rip your hair if you're doing it wrong and everything, and you can't pull hair out of the scalp if you're doing it wrong also, and then you won't have a dread anymore. It'll be some hair on the floor. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure you like. If you want to subscribe, make sure you subscribe, and I'll